Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. As much as I enjoy a great steak or grilled chicken on a barbecue, there's another dish that I really love to make, and it's burgers. I have so many different recipes for them, like my Mexican burgers, smoky porky burgers, Italian burgers with tomato slaw, and so on. Now, here's an amazing new one to add to the list. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my blue cheese burgers. OMG! If you like blue cheese, don't look anywhere else, because this is your burger. It has a great combination of ingredients, making this burger a star. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a large bowl, we'll add lean ground beef, cooked chopped bacon. Now, click on the top right corner of your screen to find out the perfect way to cook bacon without the mess. We'll also add Roquefort cheese, which is an amazing blue cheese. Then, red onions, chipotle puree. By the way, to know how to make it, click on the top right corner of your screen. And finally, we'll season with freshly ground black pepper. Next, using our clean hands, we'll mix the ingredients until well blended. You can use a spoon, but believe me, it's better by hand. From there, we'll divide it evenly into 4 sections and then form 4 patties. I like to use my burger press. It's fast and forms beautiful patties. Look at this. We'll then make a dent in the middle to help the patty from getting too thick when cooking. Next, we'll cover with plastic wrap and transfer to the fridge for 2 hours. A couple hours later, we're ready to cook. We'll bring the barbecue temperature up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit before placing the patties. We'll grill them about 7 minutes per side or until the internal temperature reads 160 degrees Fahrenheit. A couple minutes before they're done, we'll toast the hamburger buns. I have a great homemade recipe, so to view it, you know what to do. Before serving, we'll garnish with some blue cheese. And my friends, these are our blue cheese burgers. Incredibly flavorful, these are absolutely amazing. Just think about it. There's blue cheese and bacon in the burger. How good is that? I'll bet you can hardly wait to take your first bite. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!